InDesign, making a package. All right, so you have an open InDesign project. Go to the File menu and select Package. You will then see a menu with many settings and information. What you are looking for here right now is just warnings that things are missing or not connected. Go through the different areas and look for anything that is being presented as a problem or a missing element. To make this a little easier, if you want, there is a box down here that you can check which says Show Problems Only. You really want to look for missing fonts, images, broken links, things like that. After you've looked through it all, then select Package. Tell it where you want your folder to go, what you want the destination for your output package to be, and select Package. There's also several settings in here, such as including a PDF or including an IDML file and various details about the PDF that you can select as well. So click Package. You will get, for the first time, you'll have a couple of irritating pop-ups. Tell them to not show themselves again. It will then create your package in the location that you specified. Go to this location and you will see a folder with the name of your InDesign project. If you open up that folder, you can see we have an InDesign file, a PDF, and an IDML, an InDesign markup file, as well as a folder of things like fonts and other assets. Finally, you want to select this folder and compress it so that it'll be smaller and it'll be a single file that you can then use to share with people.